Guys, I have a question. This is a question video because through my YouTube channel I got donated so much retro stuff, and one of the donations were a lot of Amiga discs. I mean, I don't have no number. At first I thought it was 5,000 of them, but these boxes here, these boxes or what you want to call them, I have got so many of them, I can't explain it. And I thought it was about 5,000. Then a couple of days ago I took a look at it, and all of the discs, if we check this here, as you can see here at the top, it says 4,694. As you can see, 98, 99, 4,600, 4,702, 703, and so on. All these are numbered. And yesterday I found one of these with discs that was numbered 12,000 and upwards. The thing was, at that number, the games were from about 95, 96, 97. Polish games from Poland, from Germany, from France, from Turkey, with amazing crack intros, guys. And it's games that I don't know, AGA games, and some of the games filled about 12, 15 discs, something from the later 90s. And some of the titles I have 16 gigabyte compact flash card that contains a lot of games. I thought I had all the games, but some of these discs contain games that aren't included in my 16 gigabyte CF cards. Also, the crack intros, they're just amazing, guys. So if you just go down and look, I don't know, here we're down at number 2,000, as you can see. Conan the Cimmerian. As you can see, everything is just nicely numbered, and about up to 2,000 is from the 80s, and let's keep everything numbered. It's from the 80s and late 80s and early 90s. Let's see here. Here we're about 3,400. Let's see here. Target, I don't know. Cheat yourself, mall, tennis club. Yeah, there's just so many games. So the question is, the guy that gave me these discs, he was very active in the Amiga community back in the early 90s, mid 90s, and he sold these discs. He had his original stash that I saw, looked crazy. He had a lot of Amigas, nothing for sale, but these were copies of his original discs. So every time somebody wanted to buy something from him, he had his original discs that he copied, and after that, look at this Willow disc 16. What is this? Do you know this game? I have absolutely no orc. Disc number 2,231. I mean, it's just crazy. So he had all these discs. Let's see. Body Blows. I know Body Blows. Body Blows 2. As you can see, everything is just perfect. Techno Ninja. Something I can't read. Amber. But the thing is, these discs, they work, guys. I have Strip Burger. I have no trouble with these discs. They have been, in room temperature, and they're still now at my place in room temperature, 22, 24 degrees. I mean, I'm taking good care of them. But I want all of these about, I think it's about between 13 to 15,000 Amiga discs. I just took these one home, guys. They're stashed at my friend's place, and they're just, I have these 8 on top of each other, and 8 on top of each other, 8 on top of it. It looks crazy, but I want all of these on internet. I don't know, as a package, as something that I just can share with you guys, so you can download it and you can. There are also programs. There are all sort of stuff, homemade stuff, maybe PD stuff. I don't know. I haven't checked. I have checked 2 or 3 of these for about a year ago, and I'm telling you, all the games there, all of them I have checked, they work. All of them. Perfect condition, no trouble with them. It's just, they're in pristine condition. All the discs, I think I checked 3 of the boxes. Let's see down here. Let's just check the ones here, the black ones over here. Let's see what this is. Look at this, number 4,000, guys. Old timer, don't know. Auto 3. Look, this 6, this 7, this 8. See, here is this some, maybe some programs. 4,039, 4,040, and so on. But I mean, no one today has the time to dump these discs. I know. No one will do it. I'm just confused because the guy that gave them to me, he was one of my first subscribers on YouTube, and he said, you can have all of this donation. At the end of our conversation, he said, just promise me to take good care of it. And I don't know what to do. I can't sell them. I won't split them up, but I don't have the time to dump 13, 14,000 Amiga discs. What the hell do I do, guys? As I said, look at this. They're in nice condition. Disc number 4,528, Odyssey. Everything is just numbered. Everything is just perfect. ECS, HD installer disc. I mean, this is, for some it's just junk. For others, this is gem. This is just, for me, they're just priceless. But I just want everything. I want everything online. I mean, all of this stuff could probably be on one of these 16 gigabyte compact flash cards, and I could share this love, passion, and happiness with you guys. I would be so happy. I mean, it's nothing about money, no, nothing like that. I just want to share all this stuff with you guys, and I'm telling you, some of the discs from mid 95, 96, 97, the crack intros. Oh my goodness! But in 95, I didn't use Amiga anymore. I was on the PC, and there were great stuff, man. Great stuff. Some of the AGA games, some of the games when I used this number 12,000, I put it in my Amiga 500. It didn't work. I had to use my Amiga 4000. You know. Then it booted up, and it was probably AGA games. I don't know, but. It was maybe games that wanted an 020 or maybe 030, I don't know, haven't checked, but I just had these for a year now. We have to do something with it, guys. I mean, I owe the community. All the stuff has to come out some way. Please don't write to me and say, let me buy 500 discs or nothing like that. I won't. What does it say? I won't just split everything up. It's not about that. Give me a good idea. Is there a don't know, easy, simple way to put all this online, share it with me. But yeah, because I don't know what to do. So this video is just a question video, guys. I need help. I want to share this with you guys. I think you guys, I think you will love it, and I know there are some games you haven't seen before. Samba. Star Settlers? What the hell? Sensible World of Soccer 1996, as you can see, and this is at the 4000s, and when you go up to disc 12,000s, I mean, it's 97 games from 97, but again, not English games. When we go there, up high there, they're not in English, they're Polish games. Yeah, some languages I don't know. German games, there were Turkish games. So, yeah, please write something on the comment or send me a mail. RETROCENGO@gmail.com, that's me. Or join my Facebook page, Commodore 64-AMIGA, RETROCENGO. I will put a link on my on my Facebook page. You can write there. Yeah, and they weigh a ton. I mean, it's not something I want to ship to you guys, but give me an idea. We have to do something about this, because this is just, this should be available to every Amiga user out there. That's my opinion about it. So if you have a great idea, share it with me, guys. Until next time, watch some of my videos. Have a great day. Bye.